Guys, welcome back to my channel. You can see this video it's about a very powerful strategy that I actually wanted to sell. This strategy, like I wanted to give it for money, I wanted to charge for it, because this strategy is super effective and accurate for catching spikes. I assure you, with this strategy you are going to make a lot of money with this. Yes, you are going to get yourself financial freedom. I am telling you the truth. Now, I wanted to share it for money, but due to popular appeals I have gotten from several persons, I actually made a short video of it. But some people have appealed. They do not, for some reasons, they do not have enough money. Some say they've blown their account several times. So I should please consider. Okay, so I decided to do so. I decided to give heed to the play. Yeah. So this time I'm going to show you this strategy, and I'm going to give you the settings, but it's going to be on this condition. Listen carefully. On this if you don't fulfill this condition, I will not give you this strategy. I will not give you the setup. Number one is that you must subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then you must like this video, and if possible, share it. Yeah. Then lastly, you must add at least 20 persons to my Telegram channel. Yeah, I didn't say invite, I say add. If you add at least 20 persons to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram group, then like this video on YouTube, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Screenshot the YouTube. Let me see the like button that you liked it, and let me see the subscribe button that you subscribed. Then screenshot the Telegram channel, that the Telegram group. Let me see that you added 20 persons. At least. You can add more, but at least 20 persons. Then I will send you a video with the settings of this indicator. Okay, so it's as simple as that. It's free of charge. I actually wanted to sell this for $100, but some people begged. I said, okay, let me give it free of charge, but you have to do this. Okay, I assure you, use this strategy, you are going to make a lot of money. Now let's see. There are things you should know. Watch this video to the end. Watch this video to the end. I want to show you some things you will know. Already the rules will be here, but the next video I will just send you when you fulfill the conditions will just be a video of how to set up the indicators. Okay, but this one I'm going to give you the rules here. Watch it. This is the rules. Number one, this chart must be at the end, the left end of your screen. That's number one. Your chart must be at the left end of your screen. So to ensure that our chart is at the left end of our screen while we backtest, let me draw a line. Okay, this is the end, this is the left end of our screen, right? So let me draw this line. This is where our indicator is going to be. This is just, I'm drawing this. I don't mean you should draw it in your own chart, but I'm drawing this to serve as a reference point, so that when I'm backtesting, you will see the effectiveness of this strategy. So this is the left end of my own screen. So I want your chart to be at the left end of your screen. Okay, now see this spike I just cut. You can see these spikes I cut. Now look at this. When your chart is at the left end of your screen, the indicator is going to give you the right signal. Now we have about four indicators here, right? I have about 4 indicators here. I have the one on red. Yeah, we have the one on red, and we also have the one. We have the one on red. We also have the one okay, this is it. We have this one on red, and then we have this one on green, and then we have this one on blue. Then we have this one with this histogram. Okay, we have this one. So those are the 4 indicators. Now, how does this work? What are the rules? Number one, I've said that your chart must be at the left end, which this place I place the line is my own left end. Okay, now these three indicators, which is the red, the blue and the green one, must come to this oversold level. You can see this line here, this level 20 must come close to this level 20 or below it a little bit. If they come a little bit above it, it's okay. Then above it, if they are below it, that's very good, that's the best, fine. Okay, so they must come around this level 20. When you see them around this level 20, that's the first confirmation. Okay, when you see these three indicators, okay, these three trade-like indicators, you have your first confirmation. Okay, now the second and most important confirmation is this one, this very indicator with the histograms. Okay, these indicators. Now it doesn't matter the level where this indicator is. It can be up here, it can be down here, it can be at the center, anywhere it wants to be. It doesn't matter. But what you look out for, guys, is the candle, this histogram, that the bar that this indicator is forming. It must give you this small bar. When the indicator is at this oversold level, right, then this one, wait for it to give you this small bar, to give you this tiny bar. Once it gives you this tiny bar, it is a signal that you should enter for a buy on boom. Then on crash, you enter for a sell. It's a signal to catch spike. Now let's backtest to see it. Look at this. Actually enter this trade here. Look at it. Yeah, you can see this at this point. This is the point where it gave me the signal. You can see it at this point. Okay, at this point, look at it. At this point, my indicate this is where this one came to the oversold level. Then I waited. This one now came to the oversold level also. Then you can see this candle here. You can see the small candle. Look at it here. Look at it very well here. Look at it very well. You can see the small candle. Look at it. As this small candle came up, what happened? It is a signal to enter your trade. And I entered. You can see the spikes. It gave me multiple spikes. Then I expected it to spike more, but it didn't spike. This thing came down here. You can see as soon as the indicator came again to the oversold zone here. Look at it. As soon as it came close to the oversold zone again, you can see what happened. It spiked again. Look at it. Let me bring this stuff. Look at it. As soon as this indicator came to oversold zone here, close to oversold zone, then you can see this one with the small candle came up here again. You can see it spiked. You can see it just spiked and went up. This is how it works. Now I have to close this trade. Let me pause the video and close this trade so I don't lose my profits. Alright, so I have closed my trade. Okay, I've closed my trade. Now this is the best sniper entry you can ever think of. Now let's backtest more. I'm not going to spend more. Look at it. Good. Look at this one, the complete signal here. Look at it. You can see it. The whole indicators came to the oversold zone. Look at it. At this point they came to the oversold zone. Now look at this one. Look at where the candle became smallest here. Now you enter your trade around here. This is sniper entry. You are going to have almost little to zero drawdown. Look at it, and then you can see the spikes. Oh my god, this strategy is not supposed to be free of charge, but guys, I'm giving you free of charge. Look at it. You can see the spikes. You can see all the way to here, and you are making the market with this strategy. Guys, after sharing this strategy and you still go to lose, oh my god, I don't know what to say. Now look at this. It still gave us this look at it. It still gave us the signal here, and then you enter your trade, and then these spikes. Forget about the spikes that are short now. It's just because of the way I did my screen. I have to expand the indicator window very well so that you can see it clearly. And look at this. Look at it here. Also, the indicator came here close to this zone. You can see as it gave us this small candlestick here, you can see what happened. The spikes, you can see the spike, and you catch all the spikes. Guys, this strategy is super accurate, super accurate. Once you perform the conditions I gave for this strategy, I am going to share the settings with you. Yes, I'm going to share. I don't want to charge. I want everybody to make profit from this market. That's why I've decided to give it out free of charge. Otherwise, it should have just been for my VIP members. Now, you may still choose to join as VIP because I give a lot of things to the VIP. Okay, the people in my VIP group, they get a lot of benefits. Okay, now let's see another signal. You can see this is it again. This is it. You can see this is where the signal, at this point it wasn't fully completed, but you can see it was close to, it came close to the oversold level here, but you can see the small candlestick also here from it, and then you have multiple spikes all here. But this is where the signal got completed. Let's see. This is where it gave us full signal. Wow, look at this. The indicators crossed came to the oversold zone here. This is it. And then this one began to give us small candle. This is it. The smallest candle came here. And then you enter your trade here. And then just here, you want to give you a series of spikes. You can see series of spikes. Guys, so this is the power of this strategy. Now let's check. This is boom 500, right? Let's check boom 1000, or let's check crash. Let's just check crash. It works the same way. And boom. Let's check crash. Okay. Let's see crash so that you know how to use it on crash. Let's just see crash so that you know how to use it on crash index. Now look at this. This is where it gave us full signal. Right? You can see this. Without me showing you, can even see it already. This is where it gave us full signal. Wow, this strategy is super powerful. Look at it here. We came to the overbought zone. When you are dealing with spike crash, you go for overbought zone. That's where you sell. Then when you are dealing with boom, you go to the you look at the oversold level. And look at it. Look at where you got to the overbought zone. Sorry, this is where you go to the overbought zone, and you enter your sell here. You can see this is where you had a small candle also. Enter your sell. You can see series of spikes. You are catching them. That's how you make this market. Look at this one also. At this point, the market got to the oversold level, right? And then see the candlestick, give you very tiny candlestick here, and then you enter your trade. You catch these spikes. This is it. You are catching multiple spikes, guys. It's not even one, multiple spikes. And look at this one. Oh my goodness me. Oh my god. Look at this one, guys. At this point, this thing gave the indicator came to the overbought level, right? Overbought level. And look at this one, give us the small candle here, small candlesticks, and then you enter your sell trade here, and then look at it, you catch all the spikes. Guys, this is how to milk this market. I told you this indicator is a bond share. Once you fulfill the conditions I have given, then I will send this indicator settings to you. Use it to milk the market. Very is in trouble for this. Okay, look at it. If you follow this, you don't need to catch every spike, guys. You don't need to catch every spike, because somebody might say, look at all these spikes we are missing. You don't need to catch all. You have been chasing all the spikes and blowing, you have ended up blowing your accounts. So why should you be chasing all the spikes? You don't have to chase all the spikes. Now look at this. At this point, this thing came to the overbought level. Then look at the small candlestick it gave us. Then you enter your trade, and then you are making the market. Look at the spikes, multiple spikes. You catch them. Okay, it is true that you miss some spikes because you want to wait for the full signal, but when you wait for the full signal, you are going to catch multiple spikes, and then you will not end up putting yourself into the trouble of losing your money or blowing up your account. Okay, leave all these small signal, let them spike and let them keep spiking and keep spiking. Okay, if you want to follow only this one, only this value indicator here, these two indicators, this one and this one, you can follow them and you still make some profit. But if you want 100% accurate signal, allow the complete indicators to give you full signal. Allow the full signal. Let all the indicators align very well. Okay, let them all align very well. If you are buying, let them all get to the oversold level. If you are selling, let them all go to the overbought level. Okay, look at it. Look at this. Okay, let's look for another signal. One more, and then we'll be done for it. I don't want this video to be too long. Look at this one here. Look at it here. Look at it. Okay, and we are taking these spikes. Okay, let's keep moving. Yeah. So this signal, this strategy is very powerful. Okay, this strategy is very powerful. Look at this one, guys. Look at this one. You can see the alignment. Look at it. Here, this one came to the overbought level. This one came to the overbought level. You look at the small candle here. Gave you enter your trade just here. You can see here. Then after 2 ticks, boom, boom. You are getting it. So this is how it works, guys. This is the power of this strategy. It is, like I told you, this strategy is super powerful. Look at it here. You can see more signals. With this strategy, you make a lot of money every day. Look at this. Every day you are making a lot of money. Look at it. You are taking your trade here, a sell trade, and then you are catching all the spikes. So that is how it works, guys. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you can, share to your friends. Then add, I did not say invite, I said add at least 20 persons to my Telegram channel, and I'm going to share the setting of this strategy to you. Okay, it's a simple task, and I'm going to give you free of charge. But if you cannot perform this task, then if you can only subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video, then I'll be giving you this for $30. Just that. But if you don't want to perform it, I don't want to do any task, you just want it, it's $100. Yeah. Okay. So that is it for this. Thank you very much, guys. This is the Alpha Trade, and as I always say, don't quit, never give up. There's always a solution to every challenge you are going through. Okay? And as long as you continue learning, and as long as you continue following the Alpha Trades, it can only get better. Goodbye.